kasi 11:45 na. Ayan. And yung aking mag-aama, umalis sila ng 8:30 ng gabi kasi si Jan, di ba, nasa Melbourne siya. Dumating siya sa bahay ng 7 o'clock. Naligo lang siya. And then, drive papunta dito sa Adelaide. So, baka dumating si Jan 8:30, 8, 9:30, 10:30, 11, 12, 1:30 or 2 o'clock na sila makakarating dito mamaya. And for sure, pagod na pagod yun si Johnny Boy natin. So, kaya pa kami nandito. Kasi kung maalala niya, yung first game nila kuya ng footy isa ng Wari. And then, may isang tao na mayroon siyang, parang, mayroon siyang tinitingnan na tao sa ng Wari na iti-train dito sa Adelaide for state footy under 12. So, accidentally, nakita niya rin si Sak na parang sabi niya, gusto niya yung laro ni Sak. And parang nagalingan siya kay Sak that time, nung naglalaro si Sak. So, tinawagan niya kami. Hindi ko alam kung saan nakuha yung number, pero parang kinuha niya yung pangalan ni Sak. And then, si Sak known naman siya kasi nagsapsasa na rin si Sak, diba? So, parang may nabuild na rin na pangalan si Sak. So, tinawagan kami ng lalaki na nagpili doon sa Nangwari, kung saan nag-first game yung mga bata, na dapat isa lang yung pipiliin niya na player sa Nangwari para maglaro dito sa Adelaide for state, football na magti-training na 204 kids ang magta-try out. So, sinama niya rin si Sak. So, tinawagan lang kami by the phone. Kasi yung pagpas ng papers tapos na eh. Yung lalaki nga, inaay niya lang yung isang tao doon na taga Nangwari. So, in short, si Sak na kasama din. So, tinawagan niya si Jan. Tinanong si Jan kung gusto namin si Sak na papuntan dito sa Adelaide para mag-train for the state. Kung siswertin si Sak dito sa training, maglalaro siya for state. Then, pupunta sa Queensland para maglaro. So, yun yung sinabi sa amin. So, kaya kami nandito, guys. So, hopefully, magawa ni Sak yung laro na nakita ng taong yun. Kasi sinabihan niya talaga yung, tinawagan niya ro dito sa city, yung nag-organize nung etong state under 12 na gusto kong i-train din tong isang bata, which is si Sak. So, kaya bukas, 9 o'clock ng umaga ata yung training. So, si Jan, sobrang pagod yun. For sure. Kasi, di ba, from Melbourne, ilang oras yung pauwi sa amin? 5 hours to 6 hours. Maliligo lang siya, tapos drive na naman siya dito 5 hours. Tapos, maaga kami bukas kasi yun yung first tryout ni Sak. 204 kids ang magta-tryout. So, para siyang sapsasa, pero dito lang yung sapsasa kasi South Australia lang. Itong iti-train ni Sak is for the state. So, 204 kids ang magta-tryout. We'll see and hope for the best for Zachary. So, yun guys, kaya nandito tayo. So, biglaan lang to. Last week lang to, nung naglaro ng Nangwari. Then, kailan ba yun? Last week ba? No, not last 2 weeks. Tapos, tinawagan kami the next day or 3 days after ng Nangwari. Kasi, parang hinanap niya muna si Sak. Parang ganun. So, basta, biglaan lang to pagpunta namin dito, guys. So, yun. So, yan ko na yung vlog. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Sobrang pagod na ako. As in, antok na ako. Anong oras na? 11:50. Wala tayong pahinga. Wala akong pahinga. Kaming mag-asawa. Wala kaming pahinga sa mga ganap ng mga bata. Pero hindi kami nagko-complain. Pero syempre, tao lang din tayo, napapagod din. But, yun na guys. Thank you. Good night. See you, baby.
Where are you going?
We're going. enjoy your day with Veronica, huh?
Am I coming or not?
I'm not sure what Daddy said.
Your choice. You're always welcome at our 11 family-owned stores or shop online.
Good morning. Nandito kami sa gasolinahan. Kumuha lang si Kuya ng Powerade ni Sak, tsaka tubig. Kasi maaga yung trial match, right, Saki? And what time did you arrive last night, hon? 1 o'clock sila dumating and inintay sila ni Dan tsaka ng mga bata. Naghintay yung mga bata sa kanila. Good morning, beautiful.
Good morning.
Ang ganda ng buhok niya. O yung, di ba, inano ko yan, grenade ko. Tinulog niya and ayan na siya. Ang init ngayon. Spray tayo ng Dalba. Umalis kami kila Race, tulog pa sila kasi maaga kami. Before 8 umalis na kami ng bahay nila. 8:08 na. And yeah, good luck Saki boy. Saki, good luck. Did you put sunscreen? Meron na siyang sunscreen dyan, yung stick from Korea. Available siya guys sa aking live selling. Pwede niyo akong i-message sa Holy Mom Style. Ang ganda niya. Yan ang gusto ng mga bata. Yung AHC ata yun. Basta may 3 akong klase na sunstick. Ayun na si Kuya.
I got the big water.
Yeah.
Okay, good job, yeah. Careful daw. Give me the water. Thank
We're
you.
having 5 matches.
5 matches. Oh. Kasi marami sila, 204. So hanggang yung iba siguro bukas kung hindi makalaro ngayon. So dalawang yun. Trial match. Okay, and si Holly, where are you going, Baba?
To Veronica's.
Punta siya kila Veronica, i-drop off namin siya kila Veronica. Kasi sila catch up and wala naman kasing gagawin si Holly dito sa footy ni Sak, and si Ayla din kasi meron siyang gymnast, so yun yung ganap niya. Meron din siyang ganap dito sa Adelaide. Okay, spray na ako nito. Wala kasing lakas tong aking and index finger ko sa left kasi ilang dekada na mayroon ako ditong nahiwa ko yan yung nerve na na natamaan, so hindi ko na siya napapansin niyo siguro pag naghihiwa ako, ganun siya kasi hindi ko na siya ma-bend ng bongga, ganyan lang siya. So kunti lang, ayan, nakagamit naman natin siya. Sak, freshen up na? Gusto niya yung kahi mist ito, okay. Dito na kami kung saan magta-try out.
No, you can't go in.
Wait, what do you mean? The car?
Yeah.
No, there's nothing that we can
What are they over there?
inside. The other side? That one's nice
I
there
think
too,
you
huh?
can get in that side. But I'm just thinking trees. We need trees
The
today.
destination
Yeah.
is on your
Perch up
left,
here.
Broadview Oval.
Yeah. Kasi sobrang init ngayon, so kailangan natin ng lilim para sa ating car. And si Holly pala, pipick upin siya dito ni Neil kasi hindi na kaya ng oras namin kasi hindi pwedeng malate si Sak. So si Neil ang magpipick up sa kanya.
Kids already on there.
Yeah, they're warming up, Sak. Tingin-tingin muna tayo kung saan tayo pwede
Car
mag-park.
park over there.
Okay, go in.
Huh?
Yeah. Oh, diba? Umikot lang kami.
I just thought, we could sit at the tables and that here. That's what I'm thinking here.
Yeah. Okay.
Got shaved. So
Oh,
I'll just
ikot
keep-
na naman kami.
Just keep doing circles.
That one, but are we allowed to park there? Okay, dyan na lang.
Right there. Perfect.
And we can sit there,
Well,
ha?
that's what I mean.
There.
Under the trees all
Yeah.
day.
Pwede tayo doon, may
Where's your
table.
bag of foodie?
Yeah, you should have. Pabango muna tayo. Hindi pa ako nagpabango kasi mamadali nga itong aking asawa.
Who, me?
Sila? Okay, let's go.
Oh, you go that way.
Ako palang uutusan niya. Punta na natin yun. Under the tree tayo. Oh, Sakar is still there, Han. Okay, let's go. Baba. And meron ditong playground. Pwede dito si ano. Ah, kaso may ano, may tawag nito. May gym na si Eileen. Madali akong makuha tong upuan para walang umupo. Kasi maghapon ata kami dito. Sorry. Morning. You're right. Good morning. Dito tayo. May mga naglalakad. Maganda dito. Dito magta-try out si Zach. Oh, I'm excited and kinakabahan. Good morning. Ang friendly ng mga tao. Lagi nakangiti. Sayang si Zach. Hindi niya dinala yung footy niya. Ayan yung aking mag-aama. Ayan. Ganda dito, oh. Sana pumunta si kaso may gym na si Ayla. Ha? Pwede mag-exercise, oh. Zach, what's that one? Is it hard or not? No? Yeah? That's for your upper arms. Go, Zaki.
Oh, because you're taller than me.
Okay, can you... Wow. Is it hard? For me, yes.
Mom, watch me.
Okay, go. I wish I can. Hindi ko na kaya yung sarili ko. Buhati. Yung ating player, dito lang siya nanonood ng mga nagpa-practice kasi wala naman siyang kakilala dito and hindi nila dinala yung footy nila kasi uy, where you going? Kasi flat daw, sabi ko sana dinala mo, ito yung pinaka-importante, dapat dinala niya yung footy para nagpa-practice siya. Sabi niya I'm just gonna watch. Yeah? Ayun yung isa. Ang tibay na ng kanyang upper arms. Kanina pa siya dyan.
Ready?
Careful, ha? Oh, wow. Nakita nyo yun? Tinext ko si Reyes. Nasabi ko, punta siya dito. Kasi may playground. Ang ganda dito. Tapos may upuan pa kami. Nasa lilim tayo ng upuan. Lilim tayo ng tree. Kasi 1 o'clock pa naman ata yung gymnast ni Ayla at saka ni Dudong. Yung dalawa kasi ang may gymnast. So sabi ko dito na lang magtambay tapos mamaya doon na sa gymnast. Kasi ang ganda, oh. Tapos yan lang yung footy oval. See you. Good luck. Mag-ano lang siya, practice siya doon. Samahan siya ng daddy. Chine-check na pala ni Sisi kung gaano kalayo sa gymnast tong oval na to para dito, pag malapit dito siya magtatambay. Kasi alauna pa nga yun eh, ha? Dito na siya dyan. Why you have Sakari stop? They're not. What? They give them, what number is that? 10. Your number? Your number 2. You're training one. So, yung jersey ni Zach nandito kasi meron silang provided nila yung jersey. Number 10 daw si Zach. Ano siya? Blue and white na stripe. Medyo malayo. Hindi ko alam kung makikita nyo, guys. Ako nga, nahihirapan ng hanapin si Zach. Tingnan nyo, ang daming hindi ko alam kung makikita nyo kasi malayo siya. Andun. Madaming bata dun pero hindi nyo makita. Saan na yun? Ayan si Zach. Hindi ko nga lang ma-zoom. Hindi ko alam kung ba't di ko ma-zoom. Ayan si Sak, tsaka yung kanyang, yung isang bata na taga Nangwari. Yung jersey. Ano sila? Same ng team, which is good para magpasahan sila. Number 10 si Sak. Number 10. Ayun. Akala ko white. Ano pala? Dark blue and baby blue.
It's bloody hot in that sun, isn't it? Grab some water. Grab a little water.
Where's your Powerade, Saki? In the car.
So Jake, you run and get his Powerade close for us.
Thank you, Kuya.
I'm sorry. Point it. Point it. Point it.
Not bad.
Minis in it. Yeah. I thought they were going to be alright.
No, it had many runners.
Say hi! Dito na sila. I can get down. Si ate, dito si ate. Hi, Ate Veronica. Where are you, ate? Can't see you. Hi. Pipick upin nila si Holly. Pero sabi nila, manood muna sila ng laro ni Sak ng konti. Bago sila umalis kasi may ganap din sino, may work si Neil. Pipick upin niya lang tong batang to. Ayan na pala. Ginamit ko na yung phone ko kasi hindi nyo makikita doon sa DJI yung mga bata. Ayan. Ayan si Sak sa middle. Yung color na blue. So, ginugroup na sila or tini-team up na sila. Yeah, I see him.
Oh, that's the good.
Look at Sak's hand stretching. Go, Saki. Yeah.
There he is. There's Zach. Rescue.
Good job, Saki.
Oh, no.
Wow. Good job, Sak.
Well done.
Well done, Sak. First kick.
That's right. Like I said, you haven't got to do a bit of that stuff. You don't have to be all day. Just every now and then. Oh, gee, that's all. Right. Just a couple of things.
That was goal, right, hon?
Yep.
Yeah, that was goal. Good job, Saki.
One thing you can do, you can play it. It's bullshit.
Good job.
Already 2 disposals.
Good job.
Oh,
Good
the boys
passing.
took half over in
Good
running.
job.
Yeah, these disposals, Dad.
Huh?
Shall I see how many touches you
Yeah,
got?
do it. All your statistics. One handball, one kick.
Where is he?
Yeah, yeah. Go.
Oh.
May naglalaro din dito. Oh. Si Sak medyo malayo. Andun. Well done, Sak! Good job, Sak! Oh my God!
I'm just gonna go with how many touches he's got. The kid hold on his arms acting like this.
Yeah, I saw it.
Got it.
I got him.
Lost. Here's another goal.
Dad, can you open this?
Keeping up. Playing good footy then. That's what he's saying. Must be the old shirt. took it straight. Oh, they missed that too. Yeah. Ronnie and Jack now.
Where is he over there?
That was a lot of running.
There.
Legs.
That's 4.
How's Jimmy doing, Kuya? No,
He's
I
right
haven't.
next to Zach.
Oh, go, 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 go. Go. Good job, Taco. Yeah, that was
No, it wasn't.
yeah, at first. At first. Yeah, here you go. Go. Oh, go, Zaki. Oh, go, Zach. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's 4.
Oh, good play. I decided.
Go, Zach. Good kick.
Oh, good play. I decided.
Go, Zach. Good kick.
Good kick.
Good kick. Good job, Zaki boy. Wow. Go, Zach. There you go. Look at Zaki boy. He's diving in. Goes. Good job, Zaki boy. Wow.
Oh.
Good job, Zach.
On the left.
On the left.
Yeah.
Go, 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 boys.
It's another one.
Yeah.
That just kicked it. Here he goes next one too.
Go, 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 boys. Oh,
Oh, he's got it.
I got it.
Oh, that kick. There he is. That's Jimmy. Well on board.
This is second quarter, huh?
Yeah.
So Isaac
He
is
should be good in this back line. For
backline na si
He's
Isaac.
running
Kanina
straight
center siya eh. Ayan si Isaac. Pang third quarter na pala to. Ayan si Isaac. Dito naman siya sa side na to. Ayan. Good job. That was Sakari, right? Good job, Zach. Go, Saki. Go, Saki. Daming bata. Hindi ko na makita si Zach. Dumagdag pa tong poste. Oy, Sakari, kuya. That side or this side? This side, right? Ayan si Zach. Go, Saki. Ayan si Zach. Bless you, yeah. Ayun nakapamiadan. Zach is forward now, right, Han? Is it forward? Front forward na si Zach. Kaya nga naka-goal si Zach kanina, di ba? So nag-backward siya. Then center.
Oh, Zach just kicked it.
Yep. Good job, Zaki.
Well done, Zach.
Well done, Zaki.
Like
Bro.
he's getting
Really good.
possession.
Yeah.
the 100% is
Yeah.
passing.
Good. Kahit hindi niya kilala. Isa lang ang kilala niya dyan eh. Jimmy.
Go, Zach. Get up there.
Oh, almost Zach. Go, Zach. Good job, Zach.
Run around.
Good job, Daddy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Zach? Zach?
Where did you play?
Where'd you play then? Huh?
Here?
In this team here? I didn't even see you.
Oh, we've been looking for you.
He's not a Messi. Okay.
Iba na yung
Where is he?
uniform
Is he
niya.
on your team?
No, you got switched from fourth quarter,
We've
right?
been looking for you for we could not
Couldn't
find
find
you.
you.
We didn't see you playing here.
Oh, good. I had to switch.
That's right.
Hey, Jimmy.
Yeah.
I think because you're good.
No, my other team is better.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
not about the team.
It's
yourself,
about yourself, not you. What you do.
Yeah, your team was good. You played, you ripped it in the first game.
That's right. Kaya hindi na namin siya mahanap. Iba na yung uniform niya. We've been looking for you.
No,
No, we don't know.
We've been over here thinking,
We've
where's
been
he gone?
looking for you.
Are you here again?
What do you do now?
Mas
Yeah,
gusto
we'll
yung...
wait and sit there.
Do you want a some date?
Yeah?
It's only good pies, parts.
Want chips?
rolls. Chips on chips.
Hindi?
Pringles.
We've been looking for you,
Did
Zaki.
not even see you out
Dito
here,
pala
man.
siya naglalaro na for nung fourth quarter. Pinull out siya.
And I was watching that game.
Yeah. How did you go here?
I'm flying me.
Did you get a kick?
Oh, good job.
They think they were good.
Yeah,
Yeah,
go over
he-
here, mate. That's why you just show.
I could have got him.
Why didn't you get him?
Everyone's in the way. Is Jimmy on your team? Yes. He's
Okay.
back. Center back.
Oh, well, mate.
You
Don't
do-
party at me.
You done,
Kick, though, goal, set shot.
you done well.
Yeah, no, all you do is a nice kick, mate. I don't know what you think.
Babe, is good. I have all the clips beside.
What's your numbers?
2:30 na guys. Pang ilang games na to ni Sa. Nakalis na sila, Mars. Hindi ko alam kung nakapag-vlog tayo nandito sa Miss Andon. Ayun na siya. Oh. Ayan si Riker naka-yellow. Ayan si Mercy. Tsaka si Grace, si ate. Ayan. Ayan si Rice kanina pa nakaalis. May gym na si mga bata. 1 o'clock umalis na siya. Say good luck. Hindi ko man lang nakunan. Ito naman kasi. Hala, ang tagal. Hindi ko na siya maano dahil. Mapindot. Di ba sabi mo mapindot na mag-zoom?
Hindi, ito yung pindutin mo.
Sige nga eh.
Kasi sira na siguro yung ano mo. Zoom yan, di ba?
Oo. Pero hindi siya mag-zoom.
Oh, you having a chip? Boy.
Wala. Ulitin mo nga. Kasi parang naging ganyan yung akin.
Go.
Ayan, cute.
Come on. Go.
Give him a high five.
Say good luck, Kuya Sak. Kuya Sak! He's gonna go.
Oh,
Go there, go!
oh.
Kuya Sak! He's coming now, Kuya Sak! Kuya Sak! No? Hindi, ano niya naman, nirisim niya na itong ginagawang to. Sa focus.
I'm hungry.
You are hungry here, I'm giving you some.
I have strawberries.
Fruits? You
aloe,
want fruits?
And,
There's none?
that's alright, mate. I have soft drinks here.
Okay, you have to give that to Sak. Okay, go, come and put your slippers here. Ah, diba? Kompleto pala kami.
Tapos,
Picnic talaga kami dito.
ko ba to? Kasi naisip ko, si Holly. Wala naman pala si Holly dito, guys. Buti hindi napapansin ng mga bata.
Kuya, hindi pa
Hindi
nagtatanong.
ko napapansin ni Ayla na wala si...
Siya, napansin niya na.
Sino?
Ni, ano,
Hindi.
yeah. Si Kuya, kanina pa ito pakuha sa akin ng guys. Siguro naka $15 na to. Hindi niya binabalik yung phone sa akin.
Wala.
Pangalawa ng balik.
Sulo, ano ka?
Binigyan ko siya unang 50, tapos ngayon na ulit 50. I keep the change, ma'am. It's only coins. Okay, malay ko ba kung ano yung
Yeah. Wala naman ganyan yung akin.
Ay,
Ano,
wala
pinindot
din.
mo?
Hindi ko alam. Inano ko lang. Okay. Okay na.
Yeah, okay na?
Yes, malinaw na. Ayun kanina lang. Dilim ng vlog ko kanina.
Yeah. Hindi na mga madilim na parts din ako. Ayun, din.
Papaya salad.
Good job. Tapos yung noodles ng kids, dinala ko din.
Ay, kain tayo,
Nice,
guys.
nice.
Asan yung ating ano, be?
Ano yan? Ano?
Pakala ko uod.
Tinidor. You found... Oh, nilagay sa hot.
Wala na.
Agoy.
Wala na.
Si Arlo. Agoy si Arlo. Agoy.
Linagay na.
Arlo, don't use your hat, mate. It's gonna get really... Oh, no. That's too late. Too late now.
Wala na. Kalma na lang tayo.
Mate, if you put that on your head...
Si Sak naglalaro na sa ibang team. Kain mo ng mother.
Nauna pa.
Lamig.
Naglalaro na siya.
Doon na.
Layo. Ayan.
Ay, ang sarap. Dito langaw, bangaw. Kasi kuya, alam ni kuya may fried rice tayo dito yun. Kanina pa siya naghahanap ng real food. Hindi lang na nakuha yung pag-catch ni Isak, na-kick niya ng goal. Good job, Zaki boy. Tapos na yung tryout. Eh, nandun sila. Napupulong-pulong. Makiki-shosho lang tayo. Pero hindi tayo doon mag-vlog. Habang naglalakad lang ako. Ang init.
These are kids' streets or whatever. So don't clap until then. Jed Asher, James Mannon, Zachary Howard, Gilbert Hanson, Shadley Coffin, Peter Duff, Nicholas Ed Ington. You're in. And you boys there, and your name didn't get called out. I've been in your shoes. All right.
Information through email about that. So what's really important, you need to know, particularly if you're unavailable through a family commitment or a school commitment on that Sunday morning. You know, it might be an ankle or a cookie or something, or a sore knee. You go out there and think, no, I'm going to just try and say nothing, and you're a bit below your standard. It's better for you to tell us.
I'm John anyway. Jason.
Good job. Good job, boys. Well done. Good job, Zaki.
No, it's not. That's
Guys, nakapasa si Sak dito sa tryout. First tryout.
What'd you get called out third, Zach?
Fourth, I think.
No,
Fourth.
it doesn't matter.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Randomly. Like, it's not alphabetical. Yes. Pero pang-apat ata siya
Where's that
natawag.
server? How did we get into there?
Yeah.
Did you walk all the way?
I'm not sure, hon. No entry there, honey.
Let's go around here.
Sorry, guys.
So, after Easter, so ngayon, ang nag-tryout pala is 100 kids. Kasi 204 kids sila, di ba? So, bukas, yung 100 naman. Tapos, pipili sila doon na, how many of you? Sa 28?
Yeah.
Yeah, pipili sila ng 28 bukas ulit. Doon sa 104 na lalaro bukas. Then, from 28 doon na sa napili, lalaban sila sa,
What do you like?
yung 28 na napili
You
ngayon.
don't need drink?
No, cold water please, ha? Yung 28 na napili from today and tomorrow, after Easter, babalik kami dito para rin naman sa second tryout. And then another, kasi pipili lang ata 23. So malayo-layo pa tayo, guys, but at least napili si Sak sa first tryout. Kasi 100 kids sila, guys. So, 28 lang sila napili today. Kasama ang Saki boy natin. And sobrang init. As in, sobrang init. Na kami nga lang nanunod, init na init. What more pa sila na naglalaro. And si Sak hindi yan sanay sa footing na naglalaro sa sobrang mainit. Kasi sa amin, di ba, laging malamig. So, na-feel ni Sak yung andito, yung init habang naglalaro ng footing. But, congratulations, Saki boy. So, now, they're just getting some drinks and ice cream, I think. And si Holly, hindi ko alam kung pipick upin namin or ida-drop off ni Neil or kikitain namin sila mamaya for dinner. I'm not sure yet. Then, kikitain namin si Reyes. O, mamaya pa yun kasi 3:30 matatapos sa gym na si Ayla. Tsaka si Arlo. So, baka sa bahay na lang nila kami magkikita. So, yun guys. Well done, Saki boy. And, nag-film ako dito sa isa kong phone. Kasi mas makikita nyo siya dito. Palobat na. So, yun. Hiningal tayo dun. I forgot to get a Milo ice cream, ha? Mag-ice cream din sana
Put
ako,
that
ha?
back so it's too dark.
Sarap. Okay. What did you get, Kuya? What do you call that? Maxi Bomb? Bun. How about you, Zaki? Oreo sandwich. Okay. Si Jan, coffee. Dito na kami. Wala pa sila sisig. Kasi mamaya pa yun. Gymnast nga, Han. Well done, Saki boy.
We here.
Yeah. Hi guys. Gabi na.
Mom, we're here at the Kenji.
Yeah. Dito kami sa Kenji Pub magdi-dinner. Kasama namin si Kat and the fam and Razel. Simple Race. And my boy. Well done boy. Our hoodie player. Ha? The Kenji.
The Kenji.
Nandito na sila? Sabi, nagdi-discuss kung nakapunta na kami dati. Sabi ko, oo, with Tony.
Sorry.
Oh, why is it string?
Wow, you. Mabaho ba? Yeah, mabaho daw talaga. Huh? Yes, please. Fine dining restaurant. This is nice. Dito ka Kato. Para katapat tayo. Nasa fine dining restaurant tayo. Kung ako sa'yo, ay kay Kuya TJ ka na lang.
Yeah, pasta. Just get one
Guys,
for
wala
them.
lemon bitter, so muskako tayo. Sliders?
Baba, can I borrow for a second?
Or do you want chicken wings, buffalo?
$14 lang. Oh, mas may ice cream na.
Oh, sige. Diyan na lang din ako.
Kids want
May nourish bowl.
kids get a tasting plate.
Tasty.
Testing, mga pika-pika. Pika-pika. Para mga konti-konti, para
American cheese. Cucumber steak.
Is that the one? Meron din silang nourish bowl.
Ano?
May Sunday na nakasama.
No, they got pen.
Para $14.
Pasta monkey. Yeah, similar to that.
Holly.
Ayla, you wanna look ate? Ayla? Go look for your dinner, baby.
Oh, you are one.
Ay, ang sarap.
You
Ano
got
ba yung
porterhouse.
sarap?
Isla.
Yeah, good. Yeah.
Garlic, may garlic bread si Jan.
Isla.
Daddy has a
Isla.
garlic bread.
Cheesy bread. Arlo, cheesy bread.
Cheesy garlic bread nandito na.
Para mas masarap ay. Para mas masarap ang cheesy garlic bread. Ito lang yung akin kasi. Hindi kasi. Yeah, I did. I made it before. Wala kasing, ano mo lang itsura ko ba? Wala kasing buffalo wings sila. Nag-order akong buffalo wings. Wala na raw. Ubus na. So, ito na lang tayo.
Thank you. Thanks, guys. Pizza, garlic,
Cheesy.
Ayan, oh. Ang sarap na marami.
Tipid nga eh.
Oh, good.
Babe, you will like it. Try. You will like it. Yeah, try mo ba? You will like it, Kuya. You know the one that Mommy made? The burrata? Try this one.
TD.
You will like
That's
that
for the
one.
bread, sir, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fantastic. There's a water in raspberries a couple times.
Good.
That does it. It's fantastic. It's like a big one.
Big one. Huh? Yeah, I made this before, remember?
It's rosemary.
Try mo. Ito. No, hindi. May chicken ako kayo sa kanila yung kaita.
Baba.
Try mo. Masarap.
But you made it different.
Yeah.
Diba?
Ano tawag dito ba?
Burrata.
Burrata.
Whip burrata. Ang iniisip ko, yung maliliit lang ba na parang
Other kids' pasta?
dito na yung kids burger ni Holly.
Can we get an extra bowl as well?
Yeah.
Guess what you do?
That's a cute burger.
Ay, no nga, ang liit. Mini, parang
yes.
slider.
Ron, ilaga.
Dito na yung mga food. The chicken. Si Kuya Burger. Ako, salad ni Jan.
Uy, masarap ba?
Good. Thank you. Binigyan ako ni Sakon.
Yeah, we're going now.
Yeah, I know we're going. Guys, tapos na uwi na tayo. Nakauwi na si Kat. Hinilo mo ako sa...
Cause I think I do.